This is the cloud humidifier that we currently use in our baby's room. We love this because it also works as a nightlight, so you can click and it goes through every different color of the rainbow. And then a great feature is that you can stop it on a color you like. So I prefer this darker purple one like that, just because it's not as bright as the other colors, and it keeps it on. You can just do the light, or you can turn it and then it starts the cool mist humidifier. And it's nice because it is a knob, so you can turn it. You can see as I'm making it higher, obviously more of the mist is coming out. Or if you just want a little bit, you can turn it all the way to the other side. So that is it with the light on. And then I can also show that is it with the light off. So great night light and cool mist humidifier. I've had no issues with it. I definitely recommend it.